Today we are going to walk you through the steps to edit non-driving segments of time within hours of service. Okay, so to edit your logs, you need to be logged in at the driver login screen. Once you are logged in, you go to Hours of Service. You will get your certify message, hit the back arrow to clear that message. That will automatically take you to your Certify tab where your segments of time are listed. To edit a segment of time, it must be historical, so there must be a start and end time. You highlight the time, choose Edit. To change the entire segment of time, hit your drop down, change to the status you want to change into, select Next. You must give a reason. Whatever status you are moving into, enter that as your reason. There must be 4 characters for the reason for it to be accepted. Choose Save. You do not want to certify at this point, just choose Not Ready. And you have now changed that entire segment of time. The other option you have for editing is to split the time. You highlight the segment of time, choose Edit. There are a little pair of scissors that says Split. You choose Split. It automatically splits it in half. You can adjust the time using the arrows, or you can accept the half split. Change the other half to what status you want that to be. Choose Next. You must give your reason. Not ready to certify, and that is how you edit non-driving segments of time.